proud that I plucked up the courage to do this today, and we've both come such a long way since our 15-year-old selves. We've fought together, cried together and laughed together. After all these years, we've managed to always find a way back to one another. There was no stopping us. We lift one another up and support one another, and I know that it can only get better from here. I've never known anyone as sociable as Josh. He has this effect on everyone. Okay, babe. Everyone that he meets, and it's just obvious that everyone gets drawn to his kind heart and stupid jokes. So I feel very lucky to be the one that he's chosen to spend his life with.
Finally on to my bride, the one I need to thank the most. The girl who after the last 10 years of my life has been pretty much the only thing I've been certain about. Thank you for putting up with me and all the stupid things that I think is a good idea at the time. I promise married life will be different. You have sacrificed more than anyone. We're completely different now than we have been. We change every single day. The people we were when we were 10 years ago are not the people we are now. But the thing you've always said to me is that as we change together. Everything we do it together.
In marriage to Hannah?
I do.
Right on to that, Josh. Hannah, do you really commit yourself in marriage to Josh?
I do.
I therefore have great pleasure in pronouncing you husband and wife. You may kiss your beautiful bride.
My very own taxi driver, punching bag, personal seamstress and fashionista, because let's face it, you do have more clothes and shoes than I do. But above all that, you're my best friend. Seriously, I don't tell you enough how grateful I am for all that you do for me. Thank you for being understanding, forgiving, kind and hardworking. I can't wait to start our journey together. I promise to always be there for you as your wife and as your friend. So I would like to propose a toast to my new husband, Josh.